Tyler, y'all. I'm Michael. My nephew Colt's behind the camera. How y'all doing today? I can't hear you. Okay, I'm hoping y'all are having a froggy day, and well, today I am really happy. Okay, so what am I doing today? Well, I'm going to be doing some tilling on my front field, and well, I'm going to be tilling and tilling and tilling and tilling and tilling and tilling. And tilling and tilling. But I'm also going to be, well, planting. Planting? Now? It's not even spring yet. Yeah, I know. I got over to my local feed and seed store yesterday and picked up that pine straw, and I saw something that I had to have. Man, I'm getting planting fever so bad. Anybody else getting planting fever? Oh, I know I am. I'm anxious. So what did I do? Well, I bought me some squash. You know, if you get too many of them, they go everywhere in the garden. They do go squish. So I bought me some squishy squash. Hopefully I don't squish too many squash. Yeah, you know what I mean, y'all. But these are Bonnie's straight neck heirloom squash. And, well, as y'all can see, there's more than one per pack. These packs are about $4. And I bought 2 packs. Why? Because I got the fever, y'all. I got the fever. Okay, that's enough of the fat boy dancing. All right, so we're actually gonna be separating these squash. Have I done this before? No. Normally I'll take packs like this and choose the best one and clip the other ones off. But I figured I paid $4 for this thing. I got 4 of them in here. So I'm going to try to get 5 squash out of these 2 plants, or 2 pots. I figure what I can do is separate the squash out, choose the best 5, and plant them early. And Lord willing, the creek don't rise, I'll have some early squash. Yay! All right, so before we do this, I got to get that bed prepared. So I jumped into super frog mode there and got that bed prepared, and well, there's a little bit of grass in there. So that bed I actually added a bunch of fertilizer to the other day, and well, been a couple of weeks now, and that was my actual broccoli row. So I'm gonna be using it because it's a wider row for my squash. Why do I keep saying squish, y'all? All right, so here's how I'm gonna do this. Well, first I'm gonna take this little tag out, and hopefully my nephew will figure out to zoom in here in a minute. But I'm gonna take it, flip it over like this. Now, this is what I'm looking at right here, is the root system. Now, these plants, some of them have their first true leaves, which is this right here, and some of them don't, which are these. These are the leaves that come out first, break out of the shell, and then prepare for these leaves. These leaves right here will die back eventually. But I'm not wanting to do this when they're too old, because I want the root system to be kind of weak, so I don't really damage them while I'm breaking them apart. So now again, I've never done this before, y'all, so it may work, it may not. We'll find out. I'm just gonna take it and carefully break this dirt apart like this. Just going around, try and do it evenly and gently. This is scary, y'all. I know some of y'all have probably done this before, and I'm probably doing it wrong. If I am, please let me know. It'd be nice information to know later on, because I guarantee you, I'll get the fever again. I get the gardening fever every year, or planting fever. Gardening fever I have all the time. All right, so looks like I'm about to get one. Maybe. There's one, y'all. I got one. Alright. This teaser root, y'all. Teaser roots. basically I'm wanting to get all this dirt out so they don't have too much to cling on. Uh-oh, I might be getting another one. Yep, there's number 2. Let's go for 3 and 4 here. Voila! 3 and 4. All right. All right, so I'm actually going to do this. Get rid of that dirt, y'all. Number 2 pot. Let's see how it works. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Come on. Money, baby, money. I feel like I'm in Vegas, y'all. All right, same thing. Just go through, tease the roots. Tease, tease, tease. Now see, these roots are a little bit more developed, and I got more plants that have true leaves on them. So they're actually holding on to the dirt better. Y'all, this is scary. I got at least 4 of them, so if these don't come out good, then I got those 4 right there that did. I'm stuck. All right. Pat the dirt, pat the dirt. I might be having one come loose here in a second. Nope. Come on, y'all give me one. Give me some hope here. All right, do I have one? Do I have one? Let's see if I can get these 2 apart. This is like untying a big old knot right here. Alrighty, I got 2. See if I can get those apart. Come on. Ah, there we go. That's 5 and 6 right there. Come on, come on. I did it, y'all. Oh my God. I'm sorry. That was scary. Dirt go. Dirt go. All right, so out of these 8 right here, I'm gonna choose the best looking ones. So I'm gonna choose this big boy right here. And I'm looking to see how much roots they have also. That's a good one. Let's see, I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do this one. All right, I got 4. Number 5. Now these 4 right here, I have 3 that don't have their true leaves yet. This one's starting to get its true leaf, but barely. That one's barely up. And this one's got its true leaf start. So now I'm going to go by roots. So this one's automatically out. That's just the smallest. This one, maybe. All right, I'm gonna choose from these 2 now. And I think just off the base of the roots, I'm gonna go with this boy right here. These are my 5, y'all. All right, so we're gonna get to planting these. I'm gonna show y'all the first one, then go super frog mode for the other ones. All right, guys, so we're over here at the bed that we're gonna be putting them in. And when you get the plants that come in these cups, save these cups. They're wonderful to transplant or up transplant from the starter seed trays. If you don't want to plant straight into the ground right away, you want the plant to get bigger, these cups are wonderful for that. So right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and choose one. And we're gonna dig a little hole right here. Now I don't wanna dig or put this any further than right here. I wanna put it where the original dirt level was. And I'm being real careful not to break this plant because they're very fragile at this age. And if I break this plant, I got to go choose another one. So we're gonna pack the dirt down a little bit. Now I normally will take and kind of do a swoop like this around. I didn't get all the grass, y'all. I'll do a swoop like this around. That way it can hold a little bit more water when it gets water. And there we go. She's planted. So here's the thing, y'all. The temperatures tonight is, whoops, I almost fell over. The temperatures tonight is supposed to be around 39 degrees. My nephew just about fell over too. But temperatures, dadgum you. The temperatures tonight are supposed to be around 39 degrees. And then they steadily, gradually go up. And well, squash really don't like that. So tonight I'll probably cover them up with maybe a empty ice cream bucket, get about 5 ice cream buckets and cover them up right before dark so it has time to heat up and protect it from the cold tonight. And as it warms up, I won't have to do that. But boy, I can't wait to have some squash. I hope these work. Again, I'm planting these way early, so we'll see what happens. As y'all can see, we have our squash planted. And you see they're kind of droopy a little bit, but that's because of the fact that we messed with the roots, and it don't take long for them to start drooping once you do that. Now this one ain't drooping. This one is bent at a 90-degree angle. So once the sun hits it and it starts following that sun, it'll straighten back out. But I'm so excited, y'all. I can't believe this, but I got to show y'all this. Follow me. Come here, come here. Come on, follow. Guys, I got to show y'all this. Come here. Y'all see this right here? You see where the soil's breaking? You see that? You see right there? And right there? And over here? Guys, that's my taters. I have taters starting to sprout in all my rows. All of them. Yay, I got taters coming, y'all. Okay, so these were planted before my other garden, so they're not sprouting yet. But these were buried deeper than my other one. So these, I was expecting to come up a little bit after the other one. Yay. My taters they're growing. I didn't have to dig none up, y'all. All right. So throughout this video, y'all been watching me till. And yes, I'm still tilling. It don't look like it right now, but y'all see it in a second. I'm still tilling. This has been Michael with Frogfoot Holler. Please like, subscribe, and share. Y'all have a froggy day.